Namaste, my name is Sneha and I'm a yoga instructor at Salva Yoga. Today I am going to teach you Pragya Yoga. Pragya Yoga is a great practice for beginners. So if you are a beginner and you want to start yoga, you can always start with the Pragya Yoga. So Pragya Yoga is the bunch of 16 asanas and each asana has the different benefits. Pragya Yoga will help you in relaxing your body, relaxing your mind. And if you have lower back pain, you can practice this flow and get the benefits. So let's start the practice. Before practice, I would like to tell you who can avoid this practice. If you have a knee problem or knee injury, please avoid. First, we are going to do warm-up. After warm-up, we'll do flow, pranayama and then relaxation. So first, for warm-up, just bend your knee and sit down on your heels. So your heels should be outside, your big toes touching each other. It's called Vajrasana. Hold your knees, keep your back straight, your chin parallel to the ground and eyes closed. For a few seconds, focus on your breathing. Inhale from the nostrils and exhale from the nostrils. Inhale from the nostrils and exhale from the nostrils. One more time, inhale from the nostrils and exhale from the nostrils. Take Namaskar Mudra front of your chest. One time, universal sound, Om chanting, deep inhale. Slowly, gently rub your palms, cup rise and release your hands down. Hello, Namaste. So for warm-up, just keep your back straight, hold your knees, start with the neck rotation, taking your head back and rotate your neck clockwise gently. For 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. 2, your chin to the collarbone. 3, do not try to lift the shoulder, just taking your chin to the collarbone, your ear towards the shoulder. Keep rotating. And now anti-clockwise, opposite direction. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last 2 more. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep rotating. Your back should be straight. And now inhale, come to the center, release and relax. Now keep your hands forward straight, palm facing up. Your fingers on the shoulder. Just bend your elbow. Inhale, straighten your hands and bend. Keep practicing this 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now keep all the fingers on the shoulders and start the shoulder rotation. So this is the warm-up. Rotate your shoulder, make big circle, try to touch your elbows together when you are coming in the front. 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. So rotate anti-clockwise. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come to the center. Now keep your palms on the floor beside the thighs. Now inhale, taking your hands over the head. Interlock your fingers, palms upward and stretch your arms as much as you can. Look front, stretch the entire body. Hold the posture for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Drop the right hand right side of the floor. Drop the elbow down. Take your left hand over the head and look up. Be there for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come to the center. Change other side. Drop the left palm left side. Drop the right elbow down. Take your left over the head. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come to the center. Now release and relax. Take one breath in and out. So now let's start the flow. First, stand up back of the mat, keeping your back straight, palms beside the thighs. Inhale, taking your hands over the head, come into Tadasana. Exhale, bend forward, come into Padahastasana. Now inhale, bend your knees and sit down in Vajrasana. Sit down on your heels, toes flat. Now inhale, stand up on your knees, taking your both hands forward straight, and one by one, take back, grab your heels. Look back, come into Ustrasana. Interlock your fingers behind, taking your hands up, drop the forehead down, sit down on your heels. Now inhale, come into Ardha Tadasana. Exhale, drop the head down, drop the palms down, Shashankasana. Inhale, slide your upper body forward, come into Bhujangasana. Now inhale, exhale, Tiryak Bhujangasana. Inhale, center, exhale, Tiryak Bhujangasana. Inhale, center, go back in the Shashankasana. Now inhale, taking your hands over the head, sit up straight, Ardha Tadasana. Take Namaskara Mudra front of your chest, Utkatasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Now inhale, taking your hands over the head, stretch your arms up, lift your heels up. Now with the Om chanting, taking your hands down. Om. Now let's do one more round with variation. So taking your hands over the head, come into Tadasana. Exhale, bend forward, Padahastasana. Now inhale, bend your knees and sit down in Vajrasana. Now inhale, stand up on your knees. This time keep your hands on the waist and bend back, Ardha Ustrasana. Now taking your hands back, interlock your fingers. Exhale, bend forward, Yoga Mudra. Inhale, come into Ardha Tadasana, taking your hands up. Exhale, bend forward, Shashankasana. Inhale, slide your upper body forward, come into Bhujangasana. This time drop your both elbows down on the floor and look up. Exhale, Tiryak Bhujangasana. Inhale, center. Exhale, Tiryak Bhujangasana. Inhale, come to the center, and once again go back in the Shashankasana. Now inhale, Ardha Tadasana. Exhale, Utkatasana. Sit down on your heels, taking your toes on the mat. Exhale, Padahastasana. Drop the palms down, knees straight, bend forward. Inhale, taking your hands over the head. Come into Tadasana. Lift your heels up, stretch your arms up. Now with Om chanting, taking your hands down. Om. Now sit down on your mat, sit in butterfly, taking your feet together. Interlock your fingers and hold your toes. Back straight and start lifting your thighs up and down. Your chin parallel to the ground. Keep moving your thighs. Now inhale, one breath, and exhale, bend forward. Feel the stretches in your hip joint. Try to take your forehead towards the floor. Now inhale and get up. Sit down on your place. Sit in cross leg position for pranayama. Wrist resting on the knees. Palm facing up. Now let's do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So close your right nostril with the thumb. Inhale from the left nostril and close your left nostril with the ring finger and exhale from the opposite nostril. Inhale from the right, close your right nostril and exhale from the left. Now inhale from the left and exhale from the right. Keep on doing. Inhale, deep breath in and exhale completely. As you inhale, expand your chest, expand your belly. As you exhale, your stomach in and chest falling down. Now release your right hand down. Take one deep breath in and out. Now let's do Bhramari Pranayam. For Bhramari Pranayam, close your ears. Keep all the fingers top of the head. One time inhale and start B sound. So inhale.
Now release and relax. Now lie down on your back for relaxation. Take your both legs straight in the front, hands in the side, palm facing up, eyes closed. Focus on your breathing, your entire body relaxed. Notice which part of your body more tense, which part of your body more stressed. Try to relax that part of the body. Your entire body weight on the floor. Your legs, your hands, your shoulders are relaxing on the mat. Be aware to the body and breath. Now slowly start moving your toes, start moving your fingers. Bring your legs together. Bring your both hands over the head. Interlock your fingers and palms opposite direction. Stretch your arms back, stretching your toes in the front. Stretch your entire body. Now bend your right knee and turn to the left side. Stay there for a few seconds. Observe your breath. Now inhale and get up. Sit down on your place. Sit in comfortable posture. Sit in cross leg position. Wrist resting on the knees. Take Gyan Mudra. Inhale. Now slowly gently rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Cross your both hands and touch your shoulders. Give the nicely massage on your hands, front, back, both legs. And now once again rub your palms, gently open your eyes, look at your palms. Release your hands down. Namaste. Thank you.